Yo, what it do, guys? Welcome back to the channel for the low DIY. Yo, guys, man, I'll be getting a lot of views, but y'all ain't hitting that subscribe, man. If the video helped you a lot, man, hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment in the video, let me know. But I got something new, guys. Let's check it out all together. Hey, guys. There we go. So this is a 1991, 1992. This is an LX. I think they call it the CB7, CB9, something like that. Man, I actually got this car for free. It's from up top, I think Delaware or somewhere like that. Got some rust spot there. Runs and drive. But pretty much apart from those rough spots, it's pretty clean, guys. It's a manual. Man, they need to make roof like this today. It's pretty much mint condition. 234. Okay. This is my new project car, guys. I've been looking for one, and I got this one for free. See all that rust? I've been driving the car, guys. I've been driving it ever since I got the car. It got a brake issue. See the brake drum, a little bit rusty. I'm gonna go to the junkyard and pick me up one. I also got a leak in the brake line because ain't no fluid in the reservoir right now. Got some pretty nice tires in there. I'm gonna upgrade those wheels, get some lowering spring. And then after, I think what I'm gonna do, guys, is pretty much do like the lowering, probably change the wheels, do all of that good stuff before I take it to the body shop. Probably after I do all of those work, I'm gonna take it to the body shop and have it body work. But yeah, guys, the inside is so clean, no rip on my seat. They're in pretty good condition. Gotta get a radio, gotta fix my air seat. The AC compressor is damaged. And it's so nice right here. Got the little pop-out window. It's pretty much in a good condition, guys. Everything worked. The brake light is the only light that's on right now. And because it keep leaking out all the fluid. But yes, I love this car. Drives so good. Suspension drive good. But yeah, I need it a little bit lower, probably like down here. Get some bigger wheels, like some 17s. These are 14s. Pretty small. But yeah, guys, this is our new project. This is what we're gonna be working on. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm pretty much gonna jack it up and see where the leak coming from. Somewhere here, I see the oil and the fuel tank. See another little rust spot right here under the bottom. Let's see how to find that leak. Can't see it right now. Probably back somewhere around there. So guys, if you look down there, it's just a whole bunch of rusty lines, guys. Like I literally Don't know where to start. Let me come on to these rusted lines. You mess around and touch the wrong thing, I'm gonna start leaking all crazy. My brake boots are looking all crazy. I got a whole bunch of leak in my brake line because of that rust. All of those rust right there. I gotta change those lines. I possibly gotta take this engine out. I don't think you necessarily need to, but I need to take it out and see what's going on. There's a lot of rust everywhere. A lot of rust. I actually fixed my AC yesterday. The good thing about this car fixed with the AC system, changing the condenser, I didn't have to move my radiator. Just moved this little front plate right here. It did do the job. But yeah, guys, that's a big project on this car right here. Fixing my brake system because it's rusted. There's a lot of video up there with car like these, so it's nothing special with these CB7, but this one is free. So the fact that it's free and I didn't have to buy it, I'm gonna just take the time and try invest in it, trying to get rid of those rusted stuff. That's pretty much about it. And my distributor, it got a leak, so I probably got to change that seal in there, put it out, change the seal. My clutch looked pretty good with the fluid and stuff like that. There ain't much going on with that, but there's rust everywhere, guys.